Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be converting an Epson Eco-Tank 2760 into a Eco-Solvent printer. But before we do that, if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're not new, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, okay? Um, Please, y'all, like the video, share out the video, leave a comment. I love interacting with you all. Smash that subscribe button if you are not connected to me, or if you have, just been watching in the bushes. I would just wholeheartedly appreciate it, and I would be glad to have you a part of the DIYT family over here on YouTube, okay? All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. So you probably won't see much of me, and I'm okay with that. All right. So we're going to unbox this, and this is actually a printer that was in my storage unit. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch some older videos on my channel, and it will tell you all about my storage and my storage shenanigans. Okay. All right. So of course, when you unbox a printer, you get all of your instructions, styrofoam, and we're just going to set that down here. I'm going to take the printer out, set it right here. I'm going to grab the ink that is in here. However, this is not the ink that we are going to use, okay? We are not going to use this ink in any way, shape, form, or fashion. However, I do have several not several, because most of my other ones are converted. But I do have a printer that can use this ink, okay? That's what I was trying to get at. All right. So, if you do not know about Eco-Solvent, we are going to start Eco-Solvent printing over here on this channel. Now, where is the printer cord, y'all? That I do not see. So let me check the other today. Okay, there we go. Now we have our printer cord. That was gonna be bad. All right, so that's our printer cord. Everywhere you see blue tape, go ahead and start pulling that blue tape off, okay? Because we don't need any of this blue tape. But Eco-Solvent, you can use it for garments and some textiles, okay? I'm not like Eco-Solvent expert, so I am like fresh into the Eco-Solvent community. So as you see me converting this printer, that's how fresh I am into Eco-Solvent, okay? So we have our, and I'm just trying to make sure that you guys can see where I left tape on here. And again, this is the Eco-Tank 2760. However, if you are going to convert this printer, I would say convert it and convert it using the Epson Eco-Tank 15,000. And the reason I say the 15,000 is because you can get bigger prints, especially, hang on here. You would think I'm not, okay. You would think I'm a newbie to this thingamajigger right here, to the Epson printers. But anywho, I would say get the, ooh, y'all, I don't think these are going to fit. We're going to see, because I was hoping not to have to mess with, you know, needing needles and stuff like that to drop it in the tank. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, ooh, ew. But it looks like it's got a separate. Okay, we're good. All right, because I was like, oh no. So we're going to go ahead and fill up our tank. We're going to match our color. This is Eco-Solvent water-based. You do need water-based, okay? The other types is for like your rolling, and things of that nature. Hopefully this is going to fit for us. Y'all, let me try another one because this one doesn't look like it's working. And I'm going to try this one over here. Otherwise, y'all, I'm going to have to pour that ink out. And I don't want to waste that ink. And I don't think, oh, I might have some syringes though. But I don't want to, yeah, I just don't want to have to go through all that, okay? Yeah. Looks like I might have to go through all of that because it's not coming out that I can see. Yeah, it's not coming out. All right, so, or actually, let me see. Do I need to put a little hole in here? Let's try that. Ooh. Let's see if maybe I just don't have a. Yeah, no. Oh, wait, it might be working. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, no. It's not. Okay. Because I don't, you should be able to see it by now if it were going in there. All right. So, hold on, guys. All right. Okay, y'all. So we are back, and I have used my hair dryer to. It's an old one, but to dry this out, I'm just gonna hit it a little bit more. But I want you guys to know, only because I just see one little speck, but you really should wait on these to. But you really should wait on these to fully dry, but you can speed up the process like I did by using the hair dryer. It hurt me to my core to have to pour that ink out, y'all. Okay? So let's just get that out of the way. That hurt me to have to pour that ink out. All right. It did. All right. So what I did was I washed and dried. And let me get a little piece of paper towel here because I got some blue on that cyan, on that magenta, and I don't want that on there, but there's a little bit left. Here's the yellow. So I did every one of them off camera except the yellow, because not purposely the yellow, but just the yellow, because I didn't want y'all to have to sit through and watch all of that. That was definitely horrendous. Okay, this is the 𝐵𝐺𝐻 Premium Eco-Solvent water ink that I'm using. You can get it from Amazon. You can use any ink of your choice, but that's just the one that I'm using. I'm gonna throw all of this away because I don't need any of that. This is a converted printer. But yes, y'all, it did. It hurt me to my core to have to dump that ink. Okay, it did. It did. And you'll notice that my black is not all the way filled. And that is simply because the black on holds more than this actual thing. So I'm gonna label all of these bottles Eco-Solvent because guess what? I'm not throwing those away in case I run into that again. All right, so our tanks are full. We're gonna turn this on. And listen, if you buy this printer and you convert it, just know like you're converting it at your own risk. This printer is not designed for Eco-Solvent, just like when we convert them to sublimation. They are not made for sublimation ink, but they work well. Okay, so there's that. So it's running through its little jazz here of preparing it. Okay, I select the English. It's preparing. I'm gonna try and go down maybe. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this says fill the tanks with ink and hold down the question mark for 3 seconds. We've already filled it, so start this initialization. We're gonna press this button and it's going to initialize, okay? And it takes about 10 minutes for it to initialize. So once it's finished initializing, all right, y'all. So as you can see, our initialization is done. Okay. So we're gonna hit okay. Okay, so let's get a few sheets of paper here. Maybe not a few, just one. And I'm assuming you're gonna need paper, so we're gonna go ahead, confirm. I'm gonna adjust it. We're gonna print, and let's see what we get. And you may have to play with your settings. Hopefully I printed this on the right side because I did that. Okay, I did. Yep, I did. Yes, looks good. And there are no missing lines. So we're good. Oh, wait. I hit the wrong thing. All right, y'all. So this printer is set up, is ready to go for Eco-Solvent. Okay. All right, y'all. So until next time, peace, be blessed. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.